So, welcome, and in few words, I don't know if to put it higher, maybe. In few words about myself and about what we're gonna do today. So, my name is Chen. Originally, I'm from Israel, and in the last 15 years, I'm living here in beautiful Portugal. And I'm dedicating my time and space in life to do inner work and to study personal development, spiritual studies. I was also privileged in the last 15 years to travel the world and study with teachers and masters and receive initiations, and did a lot of inner work that allow me also be here today and share with you some interesting things I was exploring, and we will do today a part of a workshop I created about the teenager inside of us. I will explain better in a few moments. But everything I do basically, rather if it's, I'm also an artist. I organize seminars also for self-development and spiritual growth. So I give sessions and teachings, and all of it normally is dedicated, and this is also what is dedicated for today, to live a more fulfilled, conscious, and joyful life. So I'm happy to have all of you here and grateful and that you came to explore about the teenager inside of you. Yesterday we already had the first part, but it's okay if you didn't be. You can just be today. It's not like you needed to know something from yesterday, but yesterday was an inner journey of healing, to go to the teenage time inside of you and to heal something. And today is lighter and more fun, about, like the name of the workshop, if you saw the name, is to spark your passion through your teenage archetype. So today what we're gonna do is exploring about first of all connecting to the teenager inside of you, and connecting to the passion that in this age we had a lot of passion and many other things. I will go there slowly soon. Yeah, this is what we will do today, and it's good to see your smiles and your faces, and great to have you here. So yeah, basically I created this workshop through a teacher training I had, and we received this mission to create something that we love about any subject, and something in me was calling me to explore about the teenage time, because probably you know this, that we hear it a lot. People talk about the inner child and healing with the inner child, and also we're an adult, so we're busy being an adult, but we don't really remember to be in contact with our teenager inside. What does it mean for me when I'm saying it? It means that while we've been teenagers, there were so many things we were experiencing. It was time of massive transformation. We were full of hormones, like our body was changing, our life was changing, because the teenage time, it's a passage between you're not a child anymore and you're not an adult yet, but you're something in between. I call it a liquid state. Also yesterday I gave this example